Hi everybody, Nancy here. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make unwanted items disappear, like these two tabs over on the left. Now, I got this journal, I think, from Ware of Stockholm. I have a monthly subscription. She has like a surprise grab box every month, and there's so much that comes in it that I'm not real sure. I think that's where I got it, but I couldn't tell you even where or when or what box it was in because I just saw it the other day. And but anyway, I made a paper template out of the first page of it, or one of the pages of it, I should say. I'm pretty sure that it came because there's a wish list tab that this must be a wish list book. And when she does those, there's usually a bunch of pages to it. Well, I made a paper template out of it just to get the first image that appears like this. But it comes with that home and wish list tab, and I don't want that. So I'm going to show you how I got rid of it. Let me erase this. And then what I'm going to do, and I've already shown you this technique, but I'm going to show you a different use of it. That's usually what I end up doing over here. Got the hiccups. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is grab an area that looks just like that area would if those tabs weren't there. So that's that part right there. All right, so I'm just grabbing it using the grab tool, tapping off, made a copy, double tap, and that puts that image there. So that's really all that's necessary. However, if you look closely, you can see that patch, and I don't want to be able to see that. That's too obvious to me. I mean, the tabs did disappear, yes, and that's good enough. However, I want to get rid of that sharp edge. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, change the pen to the felt tip pen, and I've got it huge. See, I've got it 5 inches. So when I tap, it's going to be pretty big. And I'm just getting the fuzzy edge. That's the goal. Now, in order to mask, I've got to create, see, it made it 5 inches. Wow. I have to make that into an image. Right now it's just a pen. So I have to select it, go to operations, do copy, and then paste as image. So now this version of it is an image. I can go ahead and erase that one. And take the image, make it bigger, take the little piece I cut out, put it on top. Now it's probably going to go, I accidentally grabbed the middle. I do that a lot. And I need to select the picture. Well, I need to move that to the back so that I can select the picture. It's so big, I'm never going to be able to select it otherwise unless I well, no, they're both images. So I just need to move that to the back. Order, move to back. Okay. And then I'm going to tap off and select. With that selected, I'm going to go to image and mask image. And that just made the image soft on the edges. Now when I put it back in place, see, the sharp edge is gone. I love ZoomNotes. All right, that's it. Y'all have a great day here. Bye.